How to report Facebook accounts post. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how, in today's video we'll be guiding you simply on that, so let's just get started. For that, first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device. And once you launch it up, you should be finding this interface once you are logged in. So what you may do is you may directly head over to the post that you would like to report. You can directly head over to that post from your home screen, or you can look out for that post within some profiles. For example, let's say I would like to report this post, or we would like. So all you gotta do is locate up the post, and within every post we will be finding an option of three dot and across. You need to look out for the three dot option, tap on it, and then once you tap on it, a menu appears on your screen. Now within the menu we can easily find an option called report post, this one right here. You just need to look out for that option, tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will give you option why would you like to report the particular post. You can select one of the options. After that, once you've selected it, it will automatically report the post. You can tap on done, and that way the post has been reported. So that is how you basically report post on your Facebook account as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.